how to make object change color on hover in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can use the hover boxes to make a changement of colors whenever you are going to hover about the element or a button into the Wix website of yours. So we are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to find in, as you can see here, the Wix dashboard. Now we're going to click on edit website or edit site and wait for the website to load up. Once we have our website ready, we are going basically to head over a clean section or a create a new section, just like that, and we are going to try our let's say here procedure or the process. So I'm sure that we have a section which is going to be empty in here. I'm going to have it right there. So the first thing that we need to do is to head over the left side of the screen, click on add elements. Now we are going to have the elements from here. We're going basically to head over the interactives, and we're going to find slideshows, light boxes, boxes, repeaters, and etc. So either we are going to have a hover repeaters or some hover boxes. I preferably use hover boxes. You can see that we have different shapes and a different quality of them. So I'm going to choose one which is going to be standard like this, and we're going to drag and drop it into the section. I'm going to attach it to our section. Now we are going to see the element selected. We have the regular version and also the hover version. So each one of the versions is going to have something, let's say here, different from the other. Like the regular one is going to be having, for example, this character name, the post or the title of the job of it, and also a description. The hover is going to be having the read more button. In my case, I'm going basically to delete this read more because we do not need it, and we're going to have it just like that. So basically I do not need that more space, so we're going to try and see if it is going to be something. So this is going to be, as you can see here, the this specific area, which is going to be in here. So I'm not going to basically have something major changed, only the color. So we're going to have the color. So this is the regular, and when we are going to hover, I'm going to put some effect in this area. So what is this exactly? This is the image, and this is the element. So I'm not going to hide the element, but in case I'm going to add something. So this something is going to be a, let's say, a box, a container box. So I'm going to add a container box just like that. This is better. I'm going to let you see it just like that. Let's measure it at the same height as the last one. So basically we are going to have it from here. So I'm going basically here to head over here, make it just like that. I think that it is going to be the best in here. Now for the, as you can see the name, I'm going to have also them put in a place which is going to be just like that. And this one in here. So we are going to have this box put for the borders, right? Like that, and we can go ahead and have the let's say here the specific layer of that. I'm going to see overlapping. I'm going to see all the layers, so we're going to make it above this. This is better. So I'm going to select the hover. So the name, I'm going to put it here like that. It is upper. So we're going to put it here. It's going to be nearly the same. Boom. Here, I think that you have understood the appointment or the thing, because we only need to set up the color. So I have reset everything from here. So what I'm going to do basically is to select the container box. I'm going to put the color or change the color to another one, maybe a gradient. So we are going to choose the bluish one like that, and we're going to have it just like this. So I'm going to have this. Now we are going to click on save, click on preview, and we're going to see. So it is going to be something different. Here, as you can see, we have the container box. Hover, get some effect. Hover, get some effect. Hover, color changed. And this is it. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.